get time in night, so I practice for listening. Listening is also more important.
Yeah, right.
And third
Listening
one,
and
I'm not getting
speaking.
new vocab, so I write down and I search that. I try to make some sentence by using that. One or two, I'm not taking more
We have to handle
vocabulary. First family, and after that, whenever we are getting time, then we can do whatever we want.
Right, right.
We cannot focus more on study. Take a phone and they use phone.
Yeah.
How are
And
you?
good afternoon. Thanks for asking. I am fine. What about you?
I am also fit as a fitter. And so, as you know that we are talking first time, so will you introduce about yourself a little bit?
Okay. As you know, my name is Priyanka Gupta. I'm a government teacher. I teach in primary school. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have completed my post graduation in two subjects. And these days I am preparing for assistant professor. And I live in Greater Noida. That's all. So,
Okay,
do
now,
you introduce yourself?
okay, my name is Jyoti. I live in Agra. I am married. I have a daughter that is 8 months, and I am homemaker as well a YouTuber also. That, but your daughter is, I think, younger than my daughter, elder
Yeah,
than my
she's a
daughter.
5 years old. She's 5 years old,
Yes,
and yeah, nowadays she goes to school.
yes. So it is a
So
good that you are. Do you speak with her also? Is English?
yeah, sometimes I talk with her because mostly I live at in my school. So whenever I come back to my school in evening time, so sometimes I talk with her.
Okay, so
Okay, so
okay, we
how long have you been learning English, and what is your qualification?
I have done my graduation and I started my journey before 4 months. That time I started my YouTube channel. I thought that now my daughter has done 4 months. I should do something. If some people are like that, they think that I will do tomorrow. So tomorrow will
Okay,
never come to anyone.
right, right.
So if we want to do something, so we should start from now.
Yeah. So what do you
Okay.
do? Like you are running your YouTube channel, yeah, are you doing any job?
No, I'm not doing any job. First job is my daughter. I have to handle her. That
Okay,
is my first job. And my family. That after that, if we are going to do something, we can do. We can give to ourselves time. So some
okay,
people they make excuse. I have left lots of time, lots of work. I cannot do this. So I'm not like that. And I
okay.
born her by cesarean.
Okay, yeah. So after cesarean, you will have to care to her and yourself. I can understand
Yes,
because yeah,
yes.
cesarean
That's
is a
why I
process.
that time I had 4 months completed. That time I
Okay,
started my YouTube channel, and that time I was making only that how to make sentence like this type videos. But I saw that people are liking to watch that conversation videos more.
right.
Whenever I get time in night, so I practice for listening. Listening is also more important.
Yeah, right.
And
Listening
third
and
one, I'm not doing
speaking.
anything. Yes, yes. I like to listen that conversation videos first. Second one that I listen English speech.
Right.
That is a good channel, and whenever I get new vocab, so I write down and I search that. I try to make some sentence by using that. One or two, I'm not taking more vocabulary in a day. So if I'm taking more vocabulary, I cannot utilize them.
Yeah. So
One or
how many goals do you have?
yes, I have one goal. If I become a fluent English speaker, I'll open a coaching that I can give that advice and how to learn English. Those people they want to learn English, so I will give advice them
Yeah, it's good.
how to
Yeah,
learn.
yeah, you have a one goal, so you should focus your one goal. My first priority is my family, then my school, and after that, my preparing assistant professor, and last one is just learning English.
You
That's why
know
I do
that
not
before
focus all
marriage we
time.
can do a lot of things.
Yes,
Yeah, after married we have to handle first family, and after that, whenever we are getting time, then we can do whatever we want.
right, right.
We cannot focus more on study.
I read book, but I do not read English book. I do not listen English these days because I think 2 to 3 months after my exam will be conducted. That's why these days I am preparing for only my exam related book.
Yes, it is a good. First, you should focus on your goal. That what are you going to become? Then after that, whatever you want to do, then we can do. Yes, it is a
Yeah,
good. You are focusing on your achieving goal. So it is a good. Yes.
yes. So what do you do in
So
your leisure time?
what?
What do you do in your leisure time?
In leisure time, I'm not doing anything. That in first I wake up. That I do house chores, and there are many members in my family. Include me. There are 9 members in my family.
Okay,
So they are also helping. I'm not saying that I am doing whole work. I
okay,
cannot do. I am alone. I cannot do. Yes, they also help. Then I do. Whenever I get time, I can make conversation in daytime only. I cannot make
okay.
in morning, and I cannot make in night. I am giving time to 1 to 4. They can make any time in
Yeah, I
after.
know. I can understand. Yeah, and morning time and evening time is so hectic time, and we have to busy our family. And but mostly I make video. I conversation video in evening time because that time I have a time. That's why. But I do not
Now
make in
your
morning
daughter.
time.
Okay, so yeah, now your daughter has grown up. Had grown up,
Yeah,
and my daughter is very small that I have to handle. And after, in evening, we have to do work, house chores, and
but
that
you
we
can't.
have to cook food.
She has been grown up, but I have to do everything for her because when she was young, so you can say 1 year, 2 years. That time, I whenever I say so she can understand. But these days, right now, I am conversation with you, and she is operating mobile, so I have to face problem like this. So I
Yes,
think when
yes,
yeah, so this is a very
yes.
big problem,
Now
and
you know
nowadays,
that children grown up, then also they make a noise more, and they take a phone and they use phone.
yeah, and
Mama,
whenever
give
I
me phone.
talk.
I will.
Yeah, and
Yes,
if
yes,
I
like
will
that.
not give to her, so she will say that, Mama, I will talk with your friends. So she started bothering me. So I have to, yeah, give to her.
Yes, yes. And now, children, my daughter, she is very small and she looks that phone, she catch that. She hold and she try to start that, how to work this.
Yeah, nowadays, when she was, I think 1 month, so my cousin, whenever, yeah, they came to my home, so they started running, operating mobile. Then cartoon, so she started watching. That time she couldn't understand, but she watched cartoon.
Okay. So when did you start your YouTube channel?
Yeah, already 4 to 5 months ago, I started my YouTube channel. But before, 2 months, I didn't upload any video because my health was not good. And then 15 days ago, I started YouTube channel again.
Okay. So you know that after 2 days or 4 days, you should upload on that video. You should not gap that 1 month or 2 months.
Yeah, actually, my motto is not earning money. That's why I want to enhance my communication. That's why I'm running my YouTube channel because I can talk, I can communicate lots of person, lots of viewers
Yes.
and learners.
There are
That's
many
why.
people. Yes, there are many people. They have created their YouTube channel and they want to improve their English only. Just
Yeah,
and it is good that if we have YouTube channel that we can find easily people to make
right.
conversation.
Right. Because some persons, said to me, if you will not upload your video every day, so your channel and your video is being not viral. So I say that no, my motto is not, my video is being viral or not. My motto is only conversational, only learning English. So it's the
Many housewives they have created their YouTube channel. They are improving. I have seen they in starting they were not good in speaking, but now day by day they are improving because they are making conversation on daily basis.
if you have a time, yeah, any person have a time, so they can talk daily. And Saturday or Sunday, I talked mostly Saturday or Sunday. But
Yes,
sometimes
yes.
if I have taken leave, so I can talk any day.
Yes, yes. It is a good. If you don't have time and you are going to make conversation, it is a not good. Well, then you have time, then you can.
Okay,
Okay, it was a nice
bye.
conversation with you. I enjoy.
Nice to talk to you.